It's Will Vitela, a home tech expert, back in Yorba Linda, California, here to help out a wonderful family for Super Bowl weekend. This is going to be a fun little project. Inside this formal living room, I'm installing two 65-inch Samsung 4K TVs, one on top of another. Yes, they're going to have two 4K TVs, kind of like a sports bar style theme. Now, they're huge football fans and they're just sports fans in general. So when the family and friends are getting together, they're enjoying some food, they're enjoying watching games, they like to be able to have two games on at once. So at Home Tech Expert, that's exactly what we're going to do. And after mounting the TV mounting brackets on the stud framing of the home, I'm making sure that it's done right the Home Tech Expert way on the wood framing for earthquake safety, and I don't use wall anchors. Look at the precision on the measuring and the installation of the two TVs. There's no gap between both of the TVs. That absolutely looks beautiful. And it has to be simple for everybody to be able to use. And so I use an iPhone. Everybody can use their iPhone. They just whip out the iPhone out of their pocket and they could change the channels on the top TV and the bottom TV and control the channel guide for both the top or the bottom TV very easily with just using their iPhone. That's how we do it at Home Tech Expert. All right, this is awesome. Right in time for Super Bowl, right? Sports bar style setup inside of the living room with the top TV and the bottom TV being able to watch two games at the same time. Absolutely. I love it. So just one question. Niners or Chiefs for the Super Bowl? That's a tough choice, but you know, at Home Tech Expert, we love our families and we love whatever team that they love. So if you want to get something done like this in your home, go to my website, hometechexpert.com, and click on Schedule a Free Estimate. Thanks for watching.